Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and this tutorial we're talking about timetable. Now the logged in member is Oteejay, and Oteejay is a teacher, and we are going to be using his portfolio as the SS2A form teacher to actually view the complete timetable of the SS2A. Now this is the home page of SS2A of the form teacher, and we're talking about SS2A. He is actually the front of SS2A. When we click on this timetable, we will now have access to the timetable of the full SS2A. And when you look at this timetable, it gives us a full detail about the period and the timing and the subjects that are supposed to be taught during that time period. Now this is actually the timetable, and he can actually print out this timetable and distribute to and place in the class, or actually use it for anything, or even know what his class is actually having at any point in time. So this is just a short tutorial, and thank you for checking it out, and we look forward to seeing you next tutorial. Thank you very much.